Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deactivating your Facebook account on your iOS or Android device using the Facebook app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. And then underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button. Underneath Account Center, select the See More in Account Center button. Underneath Account Settings, select Personal Details. Select Account Ownership and Control. And you want to select the Deactivation or Deletion option. Go ahead and select that. And then you would select the account you want to either deactivate or delete, and then just follow through with the on-screen prompts at that point. Deactivation is, I believe, a temporary process for 30 days. I think it does permanently delete after 30 days. You have to reactivate the account within 30 days. Even if you delete the account, you can temporarily reactivate it, I believe. But again, just follow along with the on-screen prompts on that. You want to make sure you're selecting the correct options that suit what you need it for. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.